Welcome to Jarob Farm. If you're new to this channel, my name is Jordan Jarob. Spent 5 years in the Florida Department of Corrections. I do a lot of other interesting stuff other than being a former inmate, but I am a former inmate. I spent 5 years in there. I know a thing or two. So today we're going to be talking about Asmongold. How would Asmongold do in prison? This is a viewer request. Several comments actually. People wanted to know how Asmongold would do in the Florida Department of Corrections. So Asmongold is a very interesting case. More often than not, when people ask me how would this person or that person do in prison, people want to hear that a good guy would do well in prison and that a bad guy wouldn't do well in prison. Well, the truth is, a lot of good people wouldn't do so well in prison, and a lot of bad people would do great in prison. But I think Asmongold is actually a prime example of a person that's not a bad dude, but wouldn't do well in prison, right? Now, could he survive prison? If he did his time in a very specific way, yes, he could survive prison. But I do not think Asmongold, with his frailties, he's not a very big guy. He's very skinny, very small, not a very social person. And there's nothing wrong with this because he is social to an extent because like he does his live streams and stuff, but he's just not a very physically imposing dude, okay? But he does know how to talk to people. He knows how to charm people, and that would help him more over time. The longer his sentence was, the more friends he would make, the more social capital he would accumulate. So I believe that his ability to talk to people would probably be his greatest strength in there, but people have to get to know you, okay? So the worst time he'd be doing is when he first got there, adapting to that environment, and also nobody knows who you are. So people might think you're a good guy, but you know, nobody really knows who you are. Now the fact of the matter is, he is a celebrity, so people do know who he is, kind of, sort of, but that particular community doesn't know that much about him. Not really, not from what I've seen. I've asked several people in prison, do they even know who Asmongold is? At this particular stage, not really. I think as more time goes by, more of that will trickle to the inside of the system. I think a couple of them will know who he is, but a surprising number of them don't know who he is, or if they've heard the name, they don't have the face to the name. We talked about Wes Watson and Nick Fuentes. Both of them are tied to ethno-nationalist type sentiments, okay? So they would do very well with the white prison gangs. If you have white ethnocentric stuff going on, you're going to do well with the white prison gangs. They're going to protect you most of the time in most states. Asmongold is not politically aligned with white stuff. He is, however, on the right wing, okay? He's on the political right wing. But you have to remember, you know, he does have some videos that could backfire. Like, you know, his praising of police and stuff like that, that could backfire in a prison type environment. I was in a militia group before I got arrested. I've said pro law and order statements, pro police statements when I was younger, and that could have bit me in the ass in prison. A couple times it actually did, but I'm not. Me and Asmongold, we're not the same person. We have much different. It's a much different set of characteristics. You know, I was part of a white militia, and so when I went into prison, I was protected by that community. Asmongold would not automatically get that protection. They might give him a baseline of respect because he is, you know, because he is famous, he is white, and because he's, you know, seems like a decent guy. If he, you know, if he didn't have any weird charges, that'd be fine. But here's the bottom line, and I can tell you from experience, as a funny-looking white guy, if you're a funny-looking white guy in prison, you're automatically assumed that you're into some funny stuff, you know. But on YouTube, people like to say funny stuff like, oh, we need to check his hard drive. Well, reality check, the federal government had all my computers for 2 years. They confiscated all of them. They didn't find anything illegal. So there you go. The hard drive check was already done and nothing was found. Yeah, being a weird looking white guy, you get lumped into that category. They call you a chomo, you know. If you're not a chomo and you're just a funny looking white guy, absolutely have to forcefully say, hey man, quit saying that. That's not true, you know, because if they're making that accusation, really they're supposed to provide proof, right? But if you just kind of scurry away and don't provide proof or don't challenge it, it makes you look like you're guilty, you know. And this is something Asmongold might not know. So somebody might call him a chomo, and then he'll just run away into his cell, you know, makes him look guilty even though he's not. So again, could Asmongold survive prison? Yes, he could, but you know, he has the weird-looking white guy look. So do I. I'm not. You know, me and him both look like weird-looking white guys to the people in there. Okay, so that's a strike against him. Something I had to work through as well. Another strike against him is just he's not a big dude. Okay, he's not a super physically fit guy. But the main thing working with him is he does know how to talk to people. He does appear to be a pretty good communicator. He does, you know, he is a likable guy, so that would help him over time, especially if he could make some connections. But realistically speaking, he would have to be very careful about how he did his time if he was to survive, okay? There's several things he could do wrong. One is trying too hard to be a tough guy. A squirrel needs to be a squirrel, okay? A squirrel knows how to evade predators, scurry up trees, and look for nuts. You know, that's what a squirrel does, okay? If a squirrel thinks it's a lion, or a squirrel tries to pretend to be a lion, that actually invites more trouble, okay? If you're, and that's really life advice in general. If you're a squirrel, don't pretend to be a lion. Squirrels are pretty smart, okay? They can evade predators. You don't see that many squirrels getting eaten by predators out here. I don't. They seem to be pretty damn good at evading predators. So, you know, know what you are. If you go in there and you're a squirrel, you need to implement squirrel survival strategies. If you go in there and you're a lion, you need to implement your lion survival strategies. You know, just don't overextend yourself. Weak people never give way when they ought to. And I'm gonna just say that as general life advice. That I could do a whole nother video on that as well. So we know Asmongold isn't a big, tough, super strong dude, okay? We know that by prison standards, he'll be profiled as a chomo. We know he has lots of money that people may try to extort from him. We know he's not affiliated with the white power movement, so the white gangs in there are not really gonna look out for him that much. You know, those are a lot of strikes against him. The deck would really be stacked against Asmongold, especially when he's first in there. The main thing he would have going for him is the money is a double-edged sword, okay? He could definitely hire some bodyguards in there. He doesn't have any weirdo charges, that, you know, so there's that. But that is a double-edged sword because it makes everybody's trying to get your money. And then two, he knows how to talk to people. He's pretty charismatic. The guards definitely know who Asmongold is, and that's something he'd have working with him. But overall, this character build, if you're going to play the prison game, I would not recommend this character build. This is not a good character build for this particular game. There's other games where this character build does great, obviously. I would not recommend this character build for this particular game. If you're going to prison, and you know you're going to prison, I would definitely do some things to try to get bigger. Even fatter is better than skinny. Like, just being physically big and imposing helps in there. And he just doesn't have it. He's very skinny, very frail. That's just what I think. If you like this video, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell icon, all that good stuff. Check out the merchandise I sell. I sell camouflage patterns you literally can't get anywhere else. This stuff is a lot thicker than the stuff they sell at Walmart. Buy high quality stuff and support the channel. See you guys in the next one. Jordan Jared signing off.